Hey guys, did you just pick up a 2018 LS, LC, RC, or NX? If you did, then this video is for you. So now, part of N-Form, you have access to what's called dynamic navigation and dynamic voice recognition. With these two things combined, you have access to about 34 million different points of interest searches. So you can say things like this. What restaurants are nearby?
Showing nearby restaurant. Select the one you want.
Or how about that local coffee shop that you've been dying to try? Find Buddy Brew Coffee in Tampa, Florida.
Showing Buddy Brew Coffee in Tampa. Select the one you want.
So the key to that one is making sure that you say the city and state. So in my example, it was Buddy Brew Coffee in Tampa, Florida. It's gonna help you find those small businesses that previous navigation systems might not have been able to find. Did you know you can also change the temperature by saying commands like this? It's cold in here.
Setting the temperature to 63 degrees.
That's pretty cool. As you can see, this is our most advanced voice command system yet. Lexus is definitely keeping up with the game, and I hope that those examples kind of help you with learning your voice command system a little better. So if you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Comment in the section below what voice commands you found interesting, and for now, that's all I have for you guys. Signing off, Vincent De La Cruz, Technology Specialist at Lexus Wesley Chapel.